In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a website that I've talked about in the past, and I'm going to be showing you guys that this is still working and profitable. So let's get started with this video right away. So the website we're going to be talking about in today's video is actually called Btcmaker.io. I made a couple of videos about this in the past. I'm just going to come in and show you that this is still paying out till this day, guys, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started making some income with Btcmaker. So the first thing is coming over here to this website and filling out this captcha below to actually get some satoshis from these level systems. And I'm still on level silver, and I think this is going to be the sweet spot. So if you guys can get to the level silver, because all it needs is about 0.07 wagered in BTC, and the next level is going to be 0.5, so that is a big jump from 0.07 to 0.5. so I think this is where I'm going to be stopping at for actually using this actual website to earn me some income. So I just got through withdrawing, and it's actually already been deposited inside of my other account that I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. So in order to do this, all you have to do is come in here, click on this where it says I'm not a robot, fill out the captchas really quick. So this is asking for the chimneys, and then we're going to click on claim, and after we do that, it should claim us 75 satoshis right there, guys. And this has changed right here. It used to be a lot more satoshis, but since the price of crypto is rising, these have to be lowered in order for them to still be in profit. So if we come over here, guys, to the game section, and I'm going to show you how to wager using this strategy that I've been doing for quite some time. I'm stopping doing this. All I'm doing is just accumulating my satoshis every single day as much as I can, so I can actually withdraw again. And I'm about to show you proof that this is still paying. So all I do is come over here, increase by 100%, and do the lowest number so we can actually last longer in this dice roll game, guys. So look, I won, I lost, I won. So I'm winning right here at the bottom, and every time this goes up and down, it's me wagering. So it doesn't matter if I'm losing, I'm about to go into profit again, as you can see right there, guys. And this is how simple and easy it is to actually grow your wagered number over here inside of the faucet accounts. So it doesn't matter if I lose or win, it still gets put inside the wager tab. And the longer you can actually last on the games, the longer or the faster this will start to grow. Now it takes time in order for you to grow throughout each level, but the sweet spot I'm saying is silver level. If you can get it to this level and just stay consistent, or if you can actually try to work your way up to gold, which is really profitable, then that would be the best way to start to earn some income with Btcmaker. So let's go over here to withdraw real quick, or we can go over here to deposit, so you can see exactly how much I deposited a long time ago inside of this account and how I'm actually in profit. So as you can see, I deposited around 0.0004 BTC inside of this account in total. If we go over here to the withdraw tab really quick, you can see how much I've actually withdrawn from this actual website, and it's just got through getting completed in today's video, guys. So this is on the 21st to 06, so you can see that right there, guys. And this is how much I just got through withdrawing from my account inside of Btcmaker, and you can see the transaction right here, guys. It has been completed a long time ago. I actually already used up all of the money inside of this. So if we come over here to this next website that I'm going to be showing you where I transferred the money, it's going to be chips.gg. so let's go over here to chips really quick, and let me sign in really fast. Actually, I'm already inside of my account. Let's go over here to deposits. So let's go over here to cashier. Inside of the cashier tab, you can see that today at 9:20 a.m. I have deposited around 0.0025. Reason being is because if we go back to Btcmaker, they actually got a transaction fee of 0.0006 BTC. Take away the 0.0031, which will equal 0.25 BTC right there, guys. So this is still paying. Btcmaker is still paying, as you can see right there. And if you guys want to get started with Btcmaker and start to build your way up slowly but surely, make sure to click the link down in the description of this video so you guys can get started making some money with Btcmaker, because at the moment it is still legit. I am still using it, and I'm actually withdrawing to or depositing to chips.gg just because I want to start to get some more tokens inside of this account so I can actually earn some daily money, which I'm earning 10 cents every single day, barely right now, 10 cents a day, just for wagering and staking their tokens. And the way I do that, guys, is just by coming over here to games and then going to chips chips originals and then clicking on dice and then going over here and start betting on dice within these coins. And this is so simple and so easy to do. I've actually have a really decent strategy that you can actually use right now. It's really risky, but if you use it well, it can earn you a lot of cryptocurrency or a lot of staking coins to actually earn some more passive income with chips. So look, let's go over here to the minimum right here where it says on loss. I always put in 500%. Reason being is because we're going to roll under this big bar, so we have to get this green bar right here. We're going to click on place bet. As soon as this turns red, we're going to let it stop right now. So look, so we wagered the minimum. Look at the minimum, 100. So as you can see right here, look at this number. Watch, look at it change once it turns red. Watch it change colors. Look, 792. It's going to change again once it hits red, and we stop now, and then we refresh and we start all over, because now our wagered is going into a higher number, and then if we get some greens behind that, it's going to actually give us a lot more of that currency. So that's a really interesting way. You just got to keep on stopping it, starting it, stopping it, starting it, and just getting some income. Look right there. So I just wagered, so it hit this number. It went all the way up to 4,752 per bet, and then I got one more green after that. So I times it by 500%, and then I got a green, and my balance just went up more. So this is how I do this method, guys. I usually do it for Bitcoin until I actually run out of every currency, just so I can have a lot more coins or chips that I can actually use in here, guys, and then actually get some more of their staking profit right there. So right now I'm only have 0.0009%, not even 1% yet of how much tokens are on this platform. So if you just stay consistent using these methods that I showed you in today's video, you will become profitable in chips and in Btcmaker. And always get as much crypto as you can from every website, diversify into as much websites as you can. And I would actually recommend you guys going into passive income platforms that earn you passive income for doing just random stuff, guys, like just starting it up like chips and then letting it do its thing. If you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions, keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett, I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel, so you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast. A secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.